today I'm going to talk about the Belly BeanBoozled Jelly Beans Spinner Gift Box, the 4th edition. This is 3.5 ounces, and it's such a fun game slash candy exploration, I guess. It's basically, you have jelly beans and you don't really know what you're gonna get. It's a gamble. So it allows you to play with your food and try something new. And I'll go a little bit into that in a second. But first, check out this box. It is so amazing. And it's very simple, straightforward design. You lift it and voila. Right here is the jelly beans. And then you have a spinner. Woo! And what's really exciting is that there are 10 normal flavors and then there are 10 icky flavors. And so the only thing is that the weird flavors look the same as the normal flavors. So that's where the gamble comes in. You spin, and so let's see, what's that one? It's either buttered popcorn or rotten egg. So I believe it's this here. Here. Which one? I don't know. So the point is, it's a fun game. It's not necessarily for eating the candy because then they'd all taste really good. And I can confirm that a lot of them taste horrible. But as an adrenaline junkie, I can say that I really enjoy trying to figure it out and just taking the risk. So for example, dead fish looks exactly like strawberry, banana, smoothie, and so you're taking a gamble. Spoiled milk or coconut, rotten egg or buttered popcorn, barf or peach, booger or juicy pear, stinky socks or tutti-frutti, yikes, toothpaste or berry blue, canned dogwood or chocolate pudding, moldy cheese or caramel corn, lawn clippings or lime. So yeah, so it comes with this spinner, which is really exciting. Instead of just like going for it, you can play it as a game. You and your friends can sit around and spin it and dare each other to take a leap of faith into this box of delightfulness and disgustingness. It's surprisingly really fun for something that is completely disgusting a lot. It reminds me a lot of the Harry Potter Bertie Bott's beans because they have something a little similar where the jelly beans are kind of terrible flavors, and that's something that is more themed with the Harry Potter franchise. So if you're into this kind of thing, you could check them out too. And you know, it's something very similar, but I love this has a spinner, and I think that is just so fun. And that's something that a lot of different items and packaging, even by Jelly Belly themselves, it's just not easily found, I guess. It's a fun gift idea. You can travel with it, although it's a little too bulky for my purse. And it is just so great. And then you have, it is 140 calories, and it's one serving is like 35 pieces. It's made in a peanut factory, so just make sure if you have a peanut allergy, keep that in mind. I love the packaging. The box is cardboard. It's so colorful, and I feel like it really reflects what's inside it. And I like that a lot. It definitely makes you want to open it. The flavors themselves are very smooth, and the box is not heavy at all. And you don't have to play it all at once or eat them all at once. I also like here that on the inside of the cover, they have some fun stuff. You can kind of look at all the flavors side by side, which is really nice. And then the whole, you know, you make your own rules and just fun stuff. And you can remove the spinner here if you want to. Say you're with a group of friends and you're all sitting around and it's just easier to reach, then you can just remove the spinner and put it in the middle of the table. But I personally like to keep mine in the package. I just think it's nicer because it's designed that way. Yeah, so great for get-togethers if you want to prank your friends. April Fools, this is a pretty good prank too. Jelly Belly Candy Company, sells many different flavors and they have so many different themes and they work with so many different, ideas, and just check them out. I really love this package of theirs and this product, and I would give it a try just for fun. It's made in the USA. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new, and thanks.